Hey everyone, welcome back. And you know, I've got these vinyl or PVC fencing on the sides of my house. All I got rid of them because Mrs. Flannel guy asked me one time too many to pressure wash them to get all the dirt and the algae and whatever else was growing on there. And you know what? They're just getting old and didn't look that great. So I decided to come up with a plan to make a change. First, I'm going to show you a picture here. This is the left side of my house. You can see it's just this plain white lattice topped vinyl PVC fence, and it's just this white thing that adds nothing at all other than just closing in that section of the backyard. Okay, and by the way, I could not grow grass for the life of me in front of this area here, which you can see. I've already started my plan of attack on that portion of the yard, which will be another video. Now, I'm going to show you a picture of the right side of my house. We've got an opening where I have a gate to go in, and also on the right-hand side, you'll see a large opening. I had two full fence sections that would swing open, and then the posts would come out in the sleeve, so that way I can drive my truck back there and do what I needed to do. And you know, same thing over here. I was just kind of done with this. So now I've already made the change. I'm going to show you what I did on both sides of the house, so that maybe aside from hearing the plane overhead, this will give you some ideas as to what you can do and kind of get rid of the vinyl white fence. Here we come up on this area here where this is, again, the left side of my house. After getting rid of all of the, I'm going to get in the shade here, you might see better. After getting rid of the vinyl fencing, we put ship laurels in here. S-C-H-I-P is how they are spelled. A lot of people call them skip laurels. And I put these in about a month ago. They're already starting to fill in here, and I want them to get about as tall as that old post. And at that point, I'll keep them level that way and keep them trimmed, so we've got a wall of hedge here. I'm thinking that it's going to take about a year to get to that point, and they've made some progress over the last month, but I'm thinking it'll be about a year. I'm keeping them fertilized and watered. I've got some netting here for deer, which that's my next video, and what I've done to completely deer-proof my yard. Once these things grow in as a solid hedge, I'll be able to remove this, because right now they've been able to slip in between. Okay, so this post is going to come out also. I just have some clematis climbing on it, and I wanted to wait till this summer season's over before cutting the bottom of that post off. So again, ship laurels or skip laurels here on this side. I'm going to take you to the other side of the house. Here we go. Okay, this is the side that I really love right now. After taking the fencing out, I decided to go with two black aluminum arch top gates, and this one obviously just a 4-footer for just walking in and out, and this one is a 5-footer, so that way I can get my lawn tractor in and out of here. These are spring-loaded hinges. I have this one set with no spring loaded into it, so that way it can just open and stay open, so it's not shutting on me as I'm driving in and out. And this one I've got remained as spring loaded, so it automatically closes. So these are boxwoods that I purchased at 5.5 feet tall, I think, is what they were when I bought them. And they were sitting in these big pots for a couple of weeks before I was ready to get them in. And already they've been in here for about 3 weeks now, maybe 2, already growing together. And I'm keeping them trimmed on the top, so that way they grow outwards and sideways. And again, once I'm thinking in about a year, these are going to be pretty much one solid hedge, which is what we're going for. A much better look than what we had before. It's not even a question. And the cost of everything was about the same as what it would cost if I were to have new vinyl fencing installed with gates on both sides, since the other ones were getting old and crappy and falling apart a bit. So these are just some ideas. Let me know what you think about this on my approach. Let me know what you think you would do, or if you have a challenge that you're trying to solve for, put that down in the comments and I will answer back. And I hope to get some, if you like this, please hit the like button if you like what I've done. I appreciate that. Ignore the lovely garbage can here, but I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for hanging in there while I had a little bit of a drought with videos. Hope to see you soon, and I hope you have a great day.